That's rock, that's sand, rock, sand. But yeah, look at this. It's gonna be awesome. Time to unbox the best part. Oh my gosh. Look at the tank with the light on. They've been acclimating now. We got the GoPro in the water. Not sure what angle it's getting, but it's in there. Pour them out just like that. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Running, target, run! Hello, Turk. Always pacing this side of the fence. Yep, okay. Come on. Alright. He already said, subscribe with notifications on or he's gonna attack you. I'm telling you, he doesn't. Oh! Red ants. Ah! Mama! Mama's got the babies over there. They got so big already. Woo-hoo. Hi, Mama. I think the mic is food. And as you can see, they're eating up, and I love how they stand on this little piece of wood Hector got us. Guinea hen is still running around. Everything's doing good. Oh! Oh! Wait! Remember the sand we put in the pond? The pond's crystal clear now. Look. That is sick! Right? Don't you think, Oscar? That looks so good. So this is the pond looks like with the sand at the bottom. That's rock, that's sand, rock, sand. Here's both. Let me know what you think down below. What do you think looks better? I asked you last video, but it's kind of murky, so now you can really see. I think I want to do the whole entire pond sand. I think it'll look super, super dope. The rock is cool though. I do like the rock. I feel like this would make the fish a lot more visible. Is our soft shell? Our soft shell is probably chilling in there right now. Every time I turn the fresh water on, all the pigs go straight to the hose where it's pumping the fresh out, and they drink all of that water and roll in it. Anyway, today is the day we are getting fish for our African cichlid tank. One of our last videos, we got this beautiful tank. Our friend Adam, also known as Strictly Fishness, funded the entire thing actually. Super cool of him. We are getting the fish for that tank. I'm excited. I'm super excited. It's been over 2 years since the last time I had an African cichlid tank. We are back inside the tank room and Adam's back at it. We're gonna call him Strictly Fishness. We're gonna call him Strictly Fishness. Wipe the lens a little bit dirty, but yeah. Wow, that's a tongue twister, Adam. Strictly Fishness. Strictly Fishness is here, and we're about to get this tank set up. As you know, initially, he surprised us with this tank. Like, he totally funded this entire tank. It's got nothing in it, because that was just temporary, like we mentioned. We actually have legit rock now, and we're gonna make a cool scape, and today we are also getting, by the title and thumbnail, the fish. So he's gonna make a bunch of different little places for the fish to go in and out of, because you know cichlids love a lot of rock. They love a lot of rock, a lot of spaces to go in and out. And as you can see, the power head's nice and strong, so it'll make sure to kick up our waist and push it towards our outtake there. That way we don't have poop sitting in all this rock. But yeah, look at this. It's gonna be awesome. And we also got a light. We got a light, a better light. The other one it came with was like garbage. I don't know the company. I don't know anything about this light. It's not sponsored, but hopefully it's good. Lots of rock to work with though, and we still have more under there if needed. What do you think? You think it's gonna come out good?
I do.
Yeah? He's gonna scape it. So I'm just gonna roll a time lapse of Strictly Fishness scaping the tank. Alright, so we're unboxing the light now, but the scaping is done. It's really dope. We only had so much rock to work with, but we wanted to keep this one just because it's like a classic cichlid piece. Lone wolf rock right there, but all this is just caves. So if you look from a little distance, it's got plenty of places for them to go in and out of. All through here, through there, even from the back over there. And it's gonna look amazing. The water's obviously a bit cloudy now. It was crystal clear, but now it's a bit cloudy because we were stirring it up. Boom. And that's like a light on.
Bluetooth obviously, and it's full spectrum, so you're gonna get everything on there.
That is sick.
You can automate, so it's scheduled, turns off at night. You don't have to.
It's like the fire horns.
Exactly.
And the salt water. I don't even touch any of these lights besides the little tank over here. Filter's doing good so far, huh? Thing's a beast.
Yeah, it's doing really well. Like
8:15 in the morning, the light will go on.
And then you have sunset. You want to do 16, 19. It's fine.
That is so dope.
And then sleep, they'll say 8 o'clock.
Fish need to sleep too. Look at the tank with the light on. This is a bad to the bone light. Like, this light don't play around. Look how tiny it is. It's like kind of small for how bright that thing is. It's a beast. We're gonna show you the lighting, different lightings in just a sec. So this is the one I should keep it on right here.
Yeah, keep it on auto, but you can go on main and look, watch this, watch this. The lightning effect.
Oh my gosh. The fish would probably be like, oh, oh. That's dope. Ooh, I like that. This thing glows the whole dang room. The blue.
Yeah,
all three of these red seas are freaking beasts. So we got the light. The tank is now rescaped to where what we actually wanted. Oh my gosh, I'm getting blinded. What were you gonna say?
I think we should do an API water test before we put the fish in there.
I have the products. Let's get to it.
There you are.
Boom. Yeah. By the way, API did not sponsor this video. Y'all know I'm just a big fan of the products, and they have worked with me in the past. They are the stuff, and we got a full test kit right here.
We're gonna do regular pH and then a high range just to see the differences and make sure it's all lined up.
Yeah! Woo! He's probably like, met this kid 3 times and he's screaming in front of me already. Scoop. Scoop. Check that out right there.
Let me do 3 drops of this. And this should be like a bright blue. And that's what it should look like. And then just to be on the safe side, we're gonna do a high range pH test. And you put 5 drops in it. Look at that.
First scoop. Right on the money.
And this should be like a brownish.
Uh-huh. So what's that? Like a...
It's like high 7s, low 8s, which is what you want.
And then what do we got here? That's like perfect. 7.6.
Yeah, you want it to be over that.
exactly.
And that's why you use the high range after that. But it's perfect.
Dope. Water is pristine. Now before we get into our box of fish, we have this right here. What's inside here, my guy?
Well, we have some fish from my personal collection. Just for you, Paul.
He brought some fish from his personal collection just for the tank and for us here on YouTube to watch and see every single day. Let's check them out. So you're gonna, how many did you bring out in here?
I brought, I think there's 5 in here.
Look at the colors. Oh my goodness, they're beautiful. Whoop. And in that water, that lighting, is just insane.
Now this is an OB Friari.
So pretty. And keep in mind, guys, we have these fish in our hand, but our hands are moisturized, which will not remove the slime
water.
coat.
Correct.
Oh, and that just blinded us, but he's in there. There he goes. I am also going to pick the camera up in like a couple days when this water's clear in this same exact video, so stay tuned, watch to the end. You'll see this clear with all the fish. Inside the bucket, we still have 3 more.
And this guy took me a little while to catch today.
Oh my gosh, hear how fast he is?
But the coloring is crazy. They have like a red pattern over here.
Yep.
And there's also the red
So
dragon
pretty.
But I mean, this is just really stunning fish. And I had to get him for your tank. I had to take him out for you.
Here we go. Woohoo! That is 3 fish. We still got 2 more to go out of Adam's personal collection. Oh, that one's so pretty. That's a peacock, right?
Correct. It's like a little strawberry OB peacock.
So pretty.
And when he colors up, he's gonna be orange, white. He's gonna have.
And these
like,
are all males, correct?
correct.
There goes that one. Through the hole. Woo! This one took him about an hour to catch. Giraffe cichlid.
You can see the patterns on there.
Or what? Venusis?
Venusis, and the pattern's faded a little bit just because of transport.
Yeah.
But
Thing looks quick. Zebra. Alright.
all right, let's put him in.
There he goes. That is a total of what, 5 fish?
That's 5 fish already. Correct.
5 fish already. But in this box, we have 8
Cichlids.
more fish to unbox.
You know where we got them from?
Where we get them from?
West Coast Cichlid Supply out in California.
West Coast Cichlids. Follow, it says right here. Paul Cuffaro. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. West Coast Cichlids Supply. Thank you. Thank you. Because these were free. So shout out to West Coast Cichlids Supply out in Cali. Thank you so much.
I think you're going to be very impressed.
Yeah, I think I am too. Oh, he's got his own tape too. Look at that. It's time to unbox the best part. The best part of it all. Oh my gosh, dude. You got stickers right there and a little thank you letter. Oh my gosh. Feel how hot it is.
He uses a 72-hour heat pack. Most fish sellers use a 24-hour fish pack. So he uses 72 just to ensure if there's any delays, they're covered.
All right, so this is what came in the shipment, huh?
We got 2 OBs, which are the ones that have, you know, the spotted patterns.
Yeah.
We also have 2 Z-Rocks or Zimbabwe rocks. Those are blue with the yellow blaze over their head. We have a super red empress, very beautiful fish. We have a regular dragon blood, so you already have a blue dragon blood. This is a regular dragon blood. You have a Lawanda, which is going to be this bluish or yellowish fish. And then we have a German red that has blue, red, and yellow. You got some awesome fish.
We're gonna unbag them, obviously. They're all in here. We'll give you a real look on them, but we just wanted to go over them, pop a couple pictures up on the screen. You get an idea what we got in the bag. Let's get them into the tank. So West Coast Cichlid Supply actually sent me a sticker too. And you know, when someone helps me out, I'm gonna help them out. Thank you so much, guys, for sending these fish. Video was obviously not possible without you. I wanna put the sticker on the tank. I gotta find somewhere cool to put it, if I can get it, honestly. I don't know if I can. Ooh! Satisfying. That black. Bam. Swoop! And now, their logo shall be seen all over YouTube. Thank you so much. What's his name over there?
Brandon.
Brandon. Thank you, Brandon. Looks like we need to do a little tank cleaning already, or at least Tommy does. Tommy's coming to do the saltwater tank anyway, because you'll see the snails. Yeah, this is so cool. The snail, the turbo snail, makes these really cool patterns on the glass. If you could see it. I mean, yeah, you definitely can. All over the glass of those patterns. When he saw them, he was like, what the heck? But I'm telling you, the glass gets dirty super, super quick because we have well water. This is the cleanest glass that I have, but yet the bottom gets dirty, so it all works in its own ways. Tommy's got a handful here. Don't worry, it's paid well. All right, we got all the fish in here. I'm gonna take them out one by one. And this blue water actually calms the fish, like neutralizes them, because they don't want to be so stressed, shaking, jumping everywhere in the bag. So that's certain type of, it's a chemical, correct?
Correct, and he doesn't feed them for about 24 hours, and he quarantines them to make sure they're healthy before he sends them out.
And you know what's crazy is all these fish are gonna grow like crazy. Got another one there. Oh, that's so pretty.
That might be the German. Oh no, that's the dragon blood.
There's a little hole right here in this bag, I think just probably through shipping and all the troubles over the transportation. So we're just gonna get this fish out right now and let the other ones acclimate. All the fish are acclimating, and now typically we wouldn't have the light on with new fish. Of course, we're gonna turn the light off. It's just for filming purposes. We gotta film. They're fine, as you can see, they're all swimming around. Right when we're done filming, we will turn the lights off. Sir. Wait, where'd you go? All right, we are ready to put the fish in. They've been acclimating now. We got the GoPro in the water. Not sure what angle it's getting, but it's in there. Pour them out just like that. Nope. And we're just gonna do that however many more times. Cut this. Getting fish is the best, man. Best. Super pretty. Woo! Oh yeah. Bring it to the tank. There he goes. That's a little baby. Boom. There he goes, there he goes. And the water's just getting clear and clear by the second. I scrubbed the glass a little bit. Look at them all just swimming around. Getting more and more comfortable. And that bad boy in the back right there, look at him. Straight out of the personal collection, huh? It looks awesome.
I wish you the best with it. I'm always here to help.
I want to come to your house.
Of course.
And see all the cichlids. If you guys want me to go to Adam, I will gladly make that trip. You want to see some cichlid tanks? He's how many now? 20?
20.
20. He got one since the last video. He had 19 now. He's got 20. This is my first real, legit African cichlid tank. And look at it from a distance. Also the time lapses. It just looks amazing. I could sit here and watch this all. I can't wait to feed them tomorrow. It's gonna be so dope. Thanks again, man.
Yes, sir.
Much appreciated.
No problem.
Adam's channel is down below, Strictly Fishness. All his links are down below. Make sure to go subscribe to him and go in his recent video and say thank you for helping Paul out. Because Cuffaros, this is Not possible without him. And we also have a really cool giveaway going on, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe to both of our channels, that way you can win this camera. You know, we might as well announce it now. If you want to win this camera, it's super simple. All you gotta do is subscribe to both of our channels, they're both down below, and smash the like button. Cool. It's the next morning and the water is so clear. All the fish are good, every single one of them. And I'm gonna attempt to feed them right now. I don't know if they're gonna eat, but I'm gonna give it a try. Just gonna drop some pellets in there. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They're eating away. Thank God I didn't put too many. I mean, I put a good amount. Look at that. That's my favorite one right there. And there he goes. The water's so clear though. Look at that tank. And there's a couple pellets on the bottom still. I'm just learning now like how many I should put in per feeding. I just feel like a bigger pinch, but I think that's probably the correct amount because as you can see they're eating them off the bottom now and there's none left. There's only like 3 or 4. Focus on the tank, not me. No one cares to see me. Thank y'all so much for watching. African cichlids are finally in the tank. If you did go on to enjoy the video, drop a like. Smash that like button for me. Subscribe down below again if you want to win a little vlog camera. And I'll probably pick the winner on my Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram at Cuffaro, you'll find out there. Again, appreciate you guys watching to the end of this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.